YouTube subscribers and friends and like. It's Grant Travels coming at you from Newark, Ohio. Roman Atwood vlogs. So Roman's and Brittany's Smile More Laundry and Tan. And then you have the donut store. I'm going to hit up both. I'm going to go in there for some Kinetics. And then I'm going to go over there for some donuts. I'm not going to take the camera in there because even though people are used to it, I don't want to video, the local residents and whatnot. So just showing for the proof for the video that I've been here before. The drawing coming up. This is where Roman has the drawing coming up, and they'll have you meet with him here instead of at his residence, which I don't blame him. And if you win the Toyota truck, the trailer, and the Japanese truck, and possibly a four-wheeler or a cooler, is the drawing coming up. I don't know the exact date, but you can go to Roman Atwood Vlogs, and in the description below, and his channel will be the drawing, the giveaway for it. And you have to, every $5 purchase of merch off their website gets it a chance to win at the giveaway. I'm entered in for about $70 worth for 2 t-shirts, one for myself and one for Airplane 312 on this last go around, and it's got mailed to his house. Maybe, you never know, here in another 2 weeks or a month or whenever the drawing is. Might be called back here. That'd be cool. Like, subscribe, leave comments, and catch you in the flip. Peace.